Hey everybody, I'm going to be doing another water jug penetration test. This time I'm going to be using the Winchester 3-inch Magnum slug. Got 10 jugs lined up, and I'm pretty sure it's not going to go all the way through, but hopefully it doesn't come out the side. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so it looks like we had a little bit of different results than from the federal slug. Somehow the cinder block down here is busted, and it looks like it only went through 3. Here's the third one. Here's number 1, and this time it got blown all the way over there. That's more than twice as far as the federal slug sent any of the jugs. The federal slug's jug was like right here, like 10 feet. This is like almost 30 feet away. There's the jug. That's number 2. So looks like we had explosive velocity with this one, because let's take a look at the results. This is jug number 1. That's the entrance side right there. Paper on the back is the exit, the back side, so came out right there, blew it apart all over the place. Then it entered the second jug right there, kind of low. It looks like it was already in pieces, because look, there's 2 entries, a jagged hole there, and then a big exploding hole there. And then out the back here, there's 1 exit there and 1 exit there, so it was definitely in pieces by now. Look at how destroyed the jug is all over. So it came out in 2 different little spots, in little pieces obviously. And I'm not sure how, but somehow the cinder block is broken down here. We'll have to take a look at that. It looks like something might have went through, but I don't know, maybe it was just from the explosive force. But anyways, look, here's a piece of lead right there, so definitely did explode. There's a piece of the Federals, or the Winchester 3-inch Magnum slug. And here's jug number 3, the entrance, just a little entry there from a fragment, and no exits. It looks like there's a bulge here, like a piece, and the bottom has a split in it right there too, so that was the entrance right there on jug number 3. Somehow there's a hole there too. It might be from a fragment actually, because look at the exit on the bottom one, on the bottom of 2. So it came out right there, and then entered number 3 right there, and then stopped. And that's the remains of the fragment in jug number 3. So pretty big piece of lead, and then that was just sitting there on the table, so that's all that remains. And there's the jugs in order, the remains 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's try and take a look at the cinder block underneath now. There's one last look at the remains of the 3-inch slug. Let's look under here. Yeah, this first cinder block is just destroyed somehow. Pieces of it back here and here. And I don't know how, but it's just in pieces. That's amazing. I don't know if it was just from that transfer of energy or if a fragment came out of the bottom. Anyways, that's pretty cool. There's the remains of the broken cinder block. It was like that, just like those ones. But after the 3-inch slug hit the jugs on top of it, somehow it's in pieces. Pretty cool. There's our jugs. Only went through 3, but with lots of energy transfer in the first 2. Anyways, that's all. Thanks for watching.